Today we're changing instrument cluster lights on a 96 Ford Explorer. In this step I'm going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for reinstalling your instrument cluster bezel. This is the instrument cluster bezel, and it's the decorative plastic piece that covers up all of the innards of your instrument cluster. You're going to take and swing it up over the steering column into relative location. Now this guy has a combination of clips and bolts that hold it on. We're going to take and install and align all the clips first, and then work on our mounting bolts. Now with this kind of stuff, it's better to take a little bit more time and be real gentle with it than try and rush through it and damage it. Now we have two clips right here. You can see these metal ones. There's one there and one down here. There's three just like it on this side. They're going to line up with corresponding holes on the instrument panel. There's a hole right there. We're just going to take and line it up and push it home. Just like so. I'm going to take and work on the ones on the other side. Right there. Once you have all your clips attached, you can go ahead and begin spinning in the mounting bolts. Now we got a mounting bolt right here. I'm going to use a bare socket and extension to begin running them down. But we're not going to tighten it up until we get all of them started. There's a bolt just like this one right on the other side of the steering column. Now we got three on the top to work on. You can see one of them pretty good right here. There's one here and one here. And again, I'm just spinning them down hand tight until we get all of them started. And for the final one. Now I am going to use a little bit of a method for tightening this down, being that we have a whole bunch of bolts to deal with it and it's kind of a large plastic device. I'm going to tighten down this top center one first. And remember, you are screwing into plastic, so be very gentle. From here, I'm going to drop down to this guy right here. We're kind of going to do a little modified star pattern just to ensure that this large plastic piece seats down smoothly. And jump over here to the one on the other side of the steering column. From here, I'm going to jump up over here. And from here straight across to the last and final one. And there you go. That is the proper service procedure for reinstalling your instrument panel cover bezel.